Hi there, this video is going to show you how to save an animation in Adobe Photoshop as a GIF file. To do so, once you have your animation made, I've got a frame animation here, just a simple one. You click on File, go to Export, go to the option Save for Web, click on that. That's going to open up a new dialog box, and this new dialog box is going to give you a bunch of different options. For GIF files, we don't really have to worry about anything on here right now other than your looping options down below. If you want it to loop forever, or if you just want it to play once, that is your option that you should kind of pay attention to. There's a bunch of other options here that you can learn about later on how many colors, so on and so forth. But the way it's set up, you should be good to go. And then you just click Save. And when you click Save, it's going to ask you where you want it to be saved. In my case, I always name my files with my name in it, so I'm going to call it Bouncing Ball. Take out those. Where I'm going to save it, my Creative Cloud Files folder, and then click Save. Now to find it, I'm going to go to the Finder. I'm going to look in my Creative Cloud Files folder, looking for the date. Here it is, right here. Now, when you double click on it, it's not going to show the animation. It's going to open up, if you're on a Mac, in Preview, and it's going to show you frame by frame what that looks like. A GIF file needs to be opened up in a internet browser. So if I right click on this and go Open With, and open it up in Google Chrome or Safari, it will open up my animation in that window and keep looping forever. So that's a cool way to open up your GIF files. That's it. Have a good day.